People are not stuck in life because there is no way out. They are stuck because they lack direction. In this video, I'll be teaching us 4 ways to find clarity and direction. The fourth point is what we all always neglect. One of the biggest problems people face in life is not lack of effort. Many persons are trying. The biggest problem we face in life is lack of direction. You are not failing in life because you are not trying. Most times you fail because you lack direction. You are doing something yet you are not doing it well. You are not doing it the right way. You can be busy and still not be going anywhere. You just be going around a circle because you are not doing it the right way. Therefore, sit back as I show you 4 ways to get direction and clarity. But before we continue, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow my page. If you can, why not share this video with someone at the end of this video? Thank you so much. The first step to getting direction and clarity is to slow down your mind. Confusion arises in the midst of noise. Many persons allow their heart and mind to be crowded with things that are meaningless to life. The moment you allow yourself and your mind to be crowded by noise, confusion sets in. Most times, what you need is not more information. What you need is more stillness. You need to be quiet sometimes. If everything that happens around you bothers you, then you are not set for your new direction. You need to allow yourself to be calm a bit so you can hear that voice from your inner spirit that will tell you this is the right path. Walk in it. The second way to get direction and clarity is start with what you already know. Many persons are waiting for the big signs. They are looking for something different. But God has shown you something that you should already be doing. But you're waiting for the big sign to come. Start with what you already know. What you already know is far more better than what you don't know. Start with that thing that you know. Watch it grow. Watch it become better. It might be the right path for your life. Direction becomes clearer when you act on what is already known, not looking for what you don't know. Yes, going for new ideas are very okay and perfect, but start with what you already know. The third way to confirm and know if the direction you are towing is the right one is to check for inner peace. Everything from God comes with peace. If it is God, confusion will not be there. If it is God, peace will certainly follow you. You can't hear from God and still be confused. You can't be doing what God has assigned you to do and still be having doubt in your mind. So if there is no peace, then it's not God. But if it is God, you will have peace like a river. Divine clarity brings calmness. And finally, number 4, take steps. Many people ignore this aspect of life. You have found what to do. You already have what you need to start. Take step. Don't wait till tomorrow. The more you wait, the more confusion comes. Invest on what you already know how to do. So as you start today, the direction you require will keep coming step by step. God will not show you everything in one day. It is one step at a time. He told Abraham, leave your father's house. He didn't tell him where he was going to. So Abraham took the first step before the next direction came. He took the next direction before the third came. Until you obey the first instruction, you will never get the next blessing. So it's in your ability to take steps today that will materialize into your blessings that will come tomorrow. Therefore, take steps today and watch how God takes you from one level of advancement to another. You don't need to have everything figured out. You only need to take steps now. Now, last Monday, we prayed a prayer for direction. That is why we took that prayer. Because when God is the one leading you, confusion will not be there. Clarity will certainly be there. Therefore, if you want to go through that prayer again, follow this link here and go through that prayer. Pray the prayer again. Ask God for direction. And I'm too sure he will certainly direct you. Now, in case you are still asking God for his purpose concerning your life, there is a material I've put together that will help you understand your purpose in life. A material that will help you know God's plans for your life. Check in the comment section. You will see the link to one of my books captioned Divine Design. Vision makes the journey very clear. So get this book, download it from this link on the comment section and go through this material. It will certainly help you. It will certainly show you the direction you're looking for. Be blessed as you do so. See you again next Friday. Don't forget, this teaching will be coming your way every Friday. Thank you for joining us. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with someone else. Remain ever blessed. See you again soon.